VEVOK Chef Manual Coffee Grinder Hand Coffee Grinder 6 Adjustable Setting Stainless Steel Conical Burr Mill Portable Hand Crank Coffee Bean Grinder Ultrafine for Espresso Gift. Conical Stainless Steel Heavy Duty Burr Grinder. This manual coffee grinder is made of durable and precise stainless steel burr which have built-in 5-axis CNC numerically controlled sharp blunt grinding core. It is more effective than ceramic core burr grinder, about 45 seconds for one-time grind. The coffee mill hopper can fill approximate 15-20 grams coffee beans which can make 1 to 2 cups for one-time grinder for coffee. avaPresse Manual Coffee Bean Grinder with Adjustable Settings Patented Conical Burr Grinder for Coffee Beans, Stainless Steel Burr Coffee Grinder for AeroPress, Drip Coffee, Espresso, French Press. Built-in Adjustable Grind Selector. The Manual Coffee Grinder by avaPresse Coffee Company is equipped with over 18 manual grind settings to ensure you have 100% precision. JARNAR Manual Coffee Bean Grinder Ceramic Burr Stainless Steel Handle with 2 translucent bottom glass jars. Hand coffee mill for home office and traveling. Coffee Manual Grinder. Manual Coffee Grinder, MONGDIO Wooden Vintage Cast Iron Classic Roller Grain Mill Hand Crank Coffee Grinder, Adjustable Ceramic Core Grinding. Manual Coffee Grinder, Premium Vintage Style Coffee Grain Burr Mill Machine with Catch Drawer, Conical Burr Mill, Spice Hand Grinding Machine. Antique Coffee Grinder, Full-featured Old World Ground Fresh Coffee Beans, Home-brewed Espresso, and also ground spices, nuts, and herbs. Homerico Manual Coffee Grinder with external adjustments, ceramic conical burr mill and stainless steel waterproof body, small portable hand coffee bean grinders for French press, espresso, Turkish brew. 6 external adjustable settings. The external adjustments of Homerico Burr Grinder make it more convenient than traditional internal design. With 6 preset adjustable settings, this coffee mill can meet needs for different coffee styles like French press,